Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into BBC employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Then on the search URL, type in BBC employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now from your interface, click on the first link provided that says BBC staff portal. That will take you to the staff portal of BBC. Now in order to log into your account, head over to the upper left corner of this interface. There you will see sign in button. Click on that. Now you will get to sign in page. You can sign in with your email or username. So enter your valid email or username. If you need any help signing in case you forgot your account details, click on this link provided that says need help signing in. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply register by clicking on this link that says register now. Now, in order to log in, enter your valid email or username. After you do that, click on this next button right here, and on the next page enter your correct password. After that, click on login and then you'll be logged into your employee account on BBC. And that is how you can log into BBC employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.